How to use a WCP turnbuckle chain tensioner. Start by unscrewing each clevis link from the shaft. Note that there's a left-handed and right-handed link. Now unscrew the nut from each clevis. Grab the chain of your desired length, ensuring that there's an open link on both sides, and add a clevis into each end. Place this into your chain breaker and tighten the loose link pin into place. Now thread the corresponding left or right-handed nut into the thread. To apply, wrap each chain around your sprockets. Then thread the shaft into each clevis link, starting by only slightly threading in the first, then adding the second. Now thread the shaft so that the chain is tensioned, not too tight, but not too loose. Now thread each nut by hand toward the shaft, then take to 3/8 wrenches and tighten the nut and shaft toward each other. Your chain is now tightened and ready to cook. The turnbuckle is only meant to be used on chain that does not run continuously around a sprocket loop. Order today at wcproducts.com.